Welcome to the brief overview of Magento Extension Installation Service by Meetanshi. This service is all you need to get your Magento 1 or Magento 2 extensions installed in your online store professionally. Are you facing any errors while installing Magento extensions yourself? Do you want the help from experienced and expert Magento masters for the extension installation and configuration? The perfect solution for you is Magento Extension Installation Service by Meetanshi, that offers professional help in installing any number of our Magento extensions at a time, either in staging, development server or in the live store depending upon your preference. Don't waste your time downloading, installing, activating and configuring extensions. Our team takes care of all the technical issues and any disruption while installing the extensions and makes sure you spend your energy with what matters more for your business. Go to meetanshi.com and avail Magento Extension Installation Service to save your time and money by leaving the installation of any Magento extension to the professionals. Thank you.